यूबर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अमेरिकन प्रोज के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज आज हम इस वीडियो में करेंगे। आपको मेरी वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही तो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर करना ना भूले। तो पहला क्वेश्चन हम देखते हैं। द मॉरल डीके ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव सोसाइटीज डिस्क्राइब हिम। अमेरिकन प्रोज के ये क्वेश्चन है सारे। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हजार्ड ऑफ न्यू फॉर्चून्स। देन इसके बाद आता है स्टीफन क्रेन। In which of Stephen Crane's writing does he rewrite the story of shipwreck he personally witnessed? मतलब स्टीफन क्रेन्स की कौन सी ऐसी राइटिंग है जिसमें स्टोरी बताई गई है शिपरेक की, पर्सनली विटनेस? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज द ओपन बोट. द ओपन बोट इज वेरी important and Stephen Crane also. Then The Red Badge of Courage, a novel by Stephen Crane has its theme of. The Red Badge of Courage, ये जो नॉवेल है स्टीफन क्रेन की, इसकी जो है थीम क्या है? इसकी थीम है वॉर. वॉर इसकी थीम है. ओके. उसके बाद आता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करें तो वो है व्हाट इज़ द अटोपियन नॉवेल इन 1907 दैट वाज रिटन बाय W.D. हॉवेल. W.D. हॉवेल की जो अटोपियन नॉवेल है जो 1907 में लिखी गई थी. सो व्हाट इज़ द अटोपियन नॉवेल? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज थ्रू द आई ऑफ नीडल. थ्रू द आई ऑफ नीडल. देन W.D. Howells advocated socialism in which of the following? So the correct answer is A Traveler for Algeria. Then when Howells left Boston for New York in 1880, who referred to Garland and Howells as literary fathers? So he referred by Stephen Crane. ये किसने कहा है कि Garland and Howells as his literary fathers? So Stephen Crane. Who is the author of the newspaper A Court where everyone is kindly and unfairly tired by a scholar of honest men? Who is the author of the newspaper is a court where everyone is kindly and unfairly tired? So the correct option is option number D, Stephen Crane. Which novel of W.D. Howell capture him at height of the abilities? तो वो नॉवेल का नाम है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, द राइज ऑफ द सिलियस लैम्प. Who after Stephen Crane's death felt that Maggie was the best thing he did? So it is think about Stephen Crane and the name of the author is W.D. Howells. Whose writing do Nietzsche and Karl Marx disagree with? Whose writings do Nietzsche and Karl Marx disagree? So the correct option is Jack London. Then a hero of Jack London's socialist novel The Iron Hill is presented as what kind of a hero? So it is a Superman kind of a hero. Then Theodore Dreiser, American novelist Theodore Dreiser, gives the reader as a relief from the America heroic of moral law. So option number C is correct. उसके बाद which was Theodore Dreiser's first novel for a publisher? थिडोर की कौन सी पहली फर्स्ट पब्लिशर्स की नॉवेल थी? वो थी सिस्टर कैरी. सिस्टर कैरी इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क. गो थ्रू द थीम, प्लॉट एंड कैरेक्टर ऑफ सिस्टर कैरी, थिडोर डिज़ायर की. देन सोवियत रीडर्स हैव कपल्ड जैक लंडन विथ whom? सो द अपटाउन सिनक्लेयर. द कैरेक्टर इज आस्क्ड आल्सो जैक ऑफ लंडन. सो सोवियत रीडर्स हैव कपल्ड जैक लंडन विथ द अपटाउन सिनक्लेयर. Then whose hero is not so much victor as a matron in a protected class struggle? So whose hero is not much as a victor as a matron in a protected class? That is Jack London. Then for whom do the moral and social code of America represent the truth of human nature? For whom do the moral and social code of America represent the truth of human nature? So the correct option is Theodore Dreiser. Then Care in Dreiser's sister Carrie is a, so the pretty country girl. She is a pretty country girl. Then we can divide Henry James literature into how many periods? So we can divide Henry James literature into 4 periods. To which period do James' 3 novels, Frederick Hudson, The American, and Daisy Miller's belong? To which period do Henry James' 3 novels, Frederick Hudson, The American, and Daisy Miller belong? So these belong to a first period. There are 4 periods divided of Henry James, and the first is belong to Frederick Hudson, The American, and Daisy Miller. Then who ridiculed James' concern with style? So B.G. Wells. According to whom, it is art that makes life, makes it interesting, important. So according to the Henry James, तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी हमारा यहाँ पे सही हो जाएगा. According to Henry James, it is art that makes life, makes it interesting, important. Then next, who called Theodore Disraeli's an American tragedy a harrowing novel? ये किसने कहा है? सो ये said by the Irving Babbitt about Disraeli's an American tragedy. So the correct option is option number B. Then, in which novel does James portray young businessman Christopher Newman face to face with intrigue? In which novel does James portray young businessman Christopher Newman? So the correct option is option number first, The American. Then James revealed his mastery of a realistic fictional technique in which, so the Portrait of a Lady. Portrait of a Lady of Henry James. When was Henry James' The Wings of the Dove published? So the Wings of the Dove of Henry James published in 1902. Then in 1904 Henry James got published his which work? So the 1904 में Henry James की The Golden Bowl publish हुई थी. हेनरी जेम्स के वर्क को क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में याद करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देन लिली ब्रैट अकर्स इन ई वॉर्डस्टन्स. तो लिली ब्रैट आती है द हाउस ऑफ मर्थ में. Then the absence of fully realized conflict is specially noticeable in Wharton. So it is latter novels. Then Henry James left behind incomplete. कौन सा वर्क जो है incomplete छोड़ के गए थे Henry James? So the correct answer is B, The Ivory Tower. Then which of James' novels explore the artist's dilemma in choosing between the conflict aims of life and art? Which of James' novels explore the artist's dilemma in choosing between the conflict and aim of life and art? So the correct answer is option number B, The Tragic Muse. Edith Wharton has a sharp eye for which of the following? So the Edith Wharton has a sharp eye for his social absurdities. Then Edith Wharton's The House of Mirth, The Custom of the Country, and Hudson River Black deal with. So deal with the New York. So this is how the American literature's prose questions we are discussing today. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. ऐसे अच्छे questions और topics हम लेके आएंगे. So the Wharton's novel and stories have frequently been compared with which of the following author? तो वो Henry James के साथ compare होते हैं. This is how we talk about in this video some important questions on American prose.